What's up guys, good day. So meron tayo ditong pa-order online. So taga saan ng client natin, Noy? Dasma. So nakausap na natin siya via Facebook. So from Dasmariñas, Cavite. So ang order niya guys ay full system for X-Max 300. So ang order niya ay Acropovic design only for X-Max. So ayun guys, so dalawang bracket na yan. So for X-Max 300 only. Ito guys yung canister niya with silencer yan. Real carbon tip. Ayan guys, napaka-solid niyan. Plug and play. So, NMAX B1, NMAX B2, same lang sila guys. So, ito yung elbow niya. Ayan. Ayan guys. So, ayan yung oxygen sensor niya. So, ayan guys, meron na siyang nut bolt. Alright. So, full system guys. Plug and play for NXMAX 300 bound to Dasmariñas, Cavite. COD via Lalamove. So, abangan nyo guys yung di ko alam kung sana mapicturean ng client natin yung pag nakabitan.